guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. Today it is a beautiful day where I am, so I decided to crank the music, open some windows, get that fresh air in, and get stuff done. So I hope this video motivates you to tackle some stuff that you've been putting off, or maybe you want to sit back, relax, and just watch the process. And of course, that is okay too. So just starting off with the couch, I'm just gonna do a spot clean on it. I did do a full deep clean a couple weeks ago, so it doesn't need that. Just a spot clean where my baby left all of his grubby little finger marks. And I just wanted to tackle this first so that it has time to dry, so I'm not sitting on a wet couch later today.
All the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky.
Look at how filthy this fireplace has gotten, guys. And I swear I wiped that down not too long ago, but it's where my baby likes to put his hands, so it gets dirty really fast. So I just need to give this a nice deep clean.
Let the door hit when I leave. I'm back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
So moving on to the kitchen, I'm just gonna do a quick pick me up before I continue the deep clean. But I just wanted to address this really quickly because I know I'm not the only one. I know there's tons of you out there who have troubles keeping their kitchen clean. And it is the hub of the house, so it makes sense that we can never keep it clean. Like it's clean for what, 10 minutes and then stuff just piles up in the kitchen. So I just wanted to say that you're not alone. We're on the same boat. Tons of us are on the same boat. So we're in this together, guys. Don't feel bad if you can't keep your kitchen clean.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving.
So while cleaning the sink, I realized how filthy this tap was. And I saw, I think it was like on TikTok or somewhere, somebody said put vinegar in a bag and let your faucet sit in it and it'll just eat away at all the gross stuff. So I decided I'm gonna try that, and let me say it worked wonders. My sink faucet is so clean now. So if you have a dirty sink, and I think this works on bathroom sinks and stuff as well, but go look at your faucet. If it's gross, do this trick. I let it sit for like 10-15 minutes, scrubbed it a bit, and it was pristine. So try this hack.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me
So I think I've cleaned this little glass part on our stairs once since moving in, so it definitely needs a good clean. I just went over it with like a multi-purpose spray just to get all the gross fingerprints off and stuff, and then I'm going over it with pine salt diluted in water, and it works pretty good on mirrors and windows, but I think I could find something better. So if you have any suggestions as to what works really well on glass and stuff, please let me know in the comments below.
I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too when the lights go out, and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going.
So I left the faucet in the vinegar for about 20-25 minutes, and guys, when I tell you that this worked, it worked. Look at all that gunk.
Ooh, give me a sign, baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in.
So I'm a little embarrassed to be showing you guys this, but this is on top of my cabinets. I would like to say that I didn't know it was this bad, but that would be a blatant lie. I did paint. I did notice that it was very bad out there and I needed to clean it. I didn't do anything about it then, but I'm doing something now. So I just sprayed Dawn Power Wash all over it, let it sit for about 10 minutes, went in with a wet sponge, scrubbed that baby down, and then finished it off with a disinfectant spray. So if you haven't cleaned on top of your cabinets, I would recommend doing that because it was so bad up there.
But somehow
So I'm just gonna finish off my clean by doing a quick vacuum of the floors. But before I leave, I just wanted to come on here and say thank you guys for clicking. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you're listening to this, it honestly means so much, and it's so cool watching my channel grow. Even though I'm still a small channel, I honestly appreciate it so much, guys. So please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.